Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. This time I will do a teardown of an old cheap Polaroid camera, the PDC2030. I bought it for $5 at a thrift store back in 2010, and I was surprised to see that they are still used by some people nowadays. I've never seen someone actually using one of these back in 2004, as there were some cheaper brand names cameras with much better performance. This is how I managed to ruin the finish. The buttons are covered with a sticky decomposing rubber, very easy to remove with isopropyl alcohol, but any trace or concentration on the metallic paint will dissolve it. Not that much stuff inside, a main processor, a RAM and flash memory behind the round buzzer, and a small PCB module. There is another small PCB for the controls. The other side has the optical assembly, the flash capacitor, and the xenon lamp. There is a small PCB glued to the flash capacitor. Be aware, I measured at least 250 volts across its legs when charged. Here on a sensor pin I found a 12 MHz clock signal and one of digital outputs fluctuating with light. I removed the sensor chip and I was surprised to find it is quite a good sensor. For sure they didn't use all its potential. The optical assembly is heavy and seems made out of metal. It seems there are multiple glass lenses and one filter. The main processor is quite capable. It even has audio inputs. For sure they rushed the product or they hope to upgrade via software in the future. These are memory chips. One is RAM memory, 64 megabit. The other Samsung chip is a 16 megabit flash, consistent with the Polaroid specs. There is a mystery 1 megabit Atmel flash memory, probably some module for an older film camera design. It is linked to a 3-state buffer, the other side of the small PCB. Put both together, it works again, but I took some pictures and clips before disassembly to make sure I can show you some. To connect to a PC, you have to use a strange double-end USB-A cable. I built one from two Apple cables. I think the Spur camera is a very good evaluation platform for someone wanting to learn the basics. You can easily hack it and visualize all its signals. Any serious camera from the same era would have a myriad of BGA chips and will be lucky if you could make it work again after disassembly.